Hey guys, wanted to show you if you are activating Remote Connect for the first time, something that will probably happen is when you go to click on it, you'll basically, it'll ask you for a barcode from the Toyota app, and then the Remote Connect will basically be on a screen where it'll just be keep turning and turning and expecting a code. So it's almost like one is not talking to the other. So in this case, like if I click it now, it's already activated, but you'll see this just keep constantly spinning. In this case, I've already done it, but I'll show you a way. If you run into the situation so that you don't have to call customer service, and let's say it's on the weekend, you don't have to, let's say it's not available and you'll have to wait until they come back in, you can go the customer service route, but this is how you can do it yourself. So basically just go into apps, and all you have to do is just click on this reinstall all apps. So once you do that, you click on that, and what will happen is it'll reinstall everything. Then when you click on Remote Connect, the barcode will show up and you'll be fine. So you won't have to call customer service. So that's the way to do it. All right, guys. And another thing I want to show you, if somehow you get the black screen of death, this was another thing. If you hold this in, the volume button, just hold it for like, and you'll see it. What will happen is it will reset. The system will reset, and this is without having to turn your car, powering the car. As you can see, the car is still powered on. So this will actually reset your system.